Hey guys, Alex Ryan here. Welcome back to another video. Let me ask you a quick question. Are you wanting to start something on Amazon, but the thing that's holding you back is you're not too sure what product to bring in, what product to sell? And that's probably the biggest, I'd probably say the biggest motivator for people getting into Amazon is they're looking to start some, make money online. They're looking to quit their job, the 9 to 5. They want to actually start getting into something profitable, but they're just not too sure what product to sell. Right? That's the big challenge I think most people that I chat to and most people I see on my webinars is, hey Alex, what do I sell? You know, what product is trending right now? What is something that's profitable? What is something that doesn't have too much competition? So guys, I want you to think about this. If that's the reason stopping you, then worry no further, because literally within about 20 minutes, even if you have zero product idea, within 20 minutes, working with me, you will come up with at least 10 hot product ideas. 10 viable, feasible product ideas. I had this one lady that joined my program just recently, a few days ago, and she came to me. She was like, Alex, I don't know what to sell on Amazon. I don't know what's profitable. What is something that people are trending? What's something that doesn't have too much competition? Well, let me tell you, right? No ideas, right? Within 20 minutes, we had 10, at least 10 viable and feasible product ideas to bring in, and now actually she's got 45 ideas. So from 0 to 45 ideas within about a day. So guys, don't let not knowing what to sell on Amazon, don't let that stop you, because there is a system to it. It's not like winning the lotto, right? It's not like there's a trade secret out there on how to find product ideas. There is actually a system to it. You've just got to obviously learn the system. You've got to learn how to go about finding ideas. And that's exactly what I've been doing now for the last 10 years. I've been a professional product finder. So guys, if you want to find out more, don't forget I do have a webinar. It's a free webinar. Visit my website below to access that. But apart from that, guys, there's a whole ton of training I'm doing as well on my YouTube channel and as well as my Facebook as well. So check that out, guys. Thanks for joining me, and let's get something started. If you've been thinking about doing something on Amazon or importing from China or finding great products and you haven't yet done it, something's still holding you back, don't let that hold you back, guys. Start working with me today and let's build your Amazon business, guys. Thanks for joining me. Have an awesome day. See you later.